Hello everyone, you're welcome to Jamb Maths with Faye. This is our series on Jamb Past Question, where we're solving Jamb Past Question following the Jamb syllabus. And the first topic in the Jamb syllabus is number base. This is the second video we're having in this particular series. So today we're having subtraction in order bases. 3310 base 5 number minus 1442 base 5 number. So let's do this. So we have 3310 in base 5 minus 1442 also in base 5. Now, we to subtract 2 from 0. Subtracting 2 from 0 will not give us the positive whole number we're looking for. So we come here to borrow 1 from the other place, right? Now, where the difference comes in is when you borrow this one, on arrival, it becomes 5. Why is it becoming 5? Because we are doing this arithmetic operation in base 5. If the question was given to you in base 9, then any number you're borrowing on arrival to the next place acts as 9. Now, let me quickly remind you this. Remember, in your everyday mathematics, if you're given something like 63 minus 18, and you have to subtract, our everyday mathematics is in base 10. In short, if a base is not specified, then that operation is in base 10. All our everyday mathematics so far that you have been learning has been in base 10. Only when it's mentioned that this question is in base 5, is in base 2, is in base 3, otherwise is in base 10. So here, as we usually do before, you borrow 1 from here, right? And when that 1 arrives, you said it becomes 13. Now let me explain to you how it comes about. It's not just because you're bringing 1 and when 1 arrives this place, it becomes 13. No. The reason is this operation is being carried out in base 10. So that 1 on arrival becomes 10. By the time you add the 10 to the 3 that was there before, that's why you do have 13. And this was to be remaining 5. This is just to remind you. So this technique is what we are applying here now. But the difference is that the number you're borrowing becomes 5. If the question was given to you in base 9, the number you are borrowing becomes 9. If the question was given to you in base 3, the number you are borrowing becomes 3. So let's continue. We borrow this one, right? Let me change my marker for clarity. We borrow this one here. And on arrival, of course, when you borrow 1 from 1, you are left with only 0. And on arrival, this 1 you are borrowing becomes 5. So you're having 5 minus 2, which is what? 3. Coming here, we are left with 0 now. Of course, we have borrowed this one. We are left with 0 now. Same problem as we have here. So we are coming here to borrow 1, right? Now, when we borrow 1 from here, this will be remaining 2, right? And the 1 you borrowed also becomes 5. 5 plus 0 is still what? 5. So 5 minus 4, 1. This is remaining 2. You're coming here to borrow 1. When you borrow 1 from this 3, it's remaining what? 2 as well. And this 1 you're borrowing on arrival becomes what? 5. By the time you add 5 to the 2 that was there before, you are left with 7. So 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 gives us 3. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. And this is our answer in base 5. I want you to try this. Subtract 16418 base 9 from 18630 base 9. If you're able to solve this correctly, you should be having 2211 base 9 as your final answer. I want you to practice this yourself. Ensure you arrive at this answer. And let me get your feedback on the comment section. Do like, share, subscribe, and follow us. We are still on number base.